have good table manners too.
See, he's got it all. And then at the end of the day, you're running this firm, and I can just tell from your brain and your mindset, most guys that are at the point where they're managing a firm, they're thinking about being lead on cases, things of that nature. But you have that mindset and you understand that at this point, you can't afford to be the bottleneck. Your job is to make sure that you have systems in place to bring more cases in so the firm can expand and grow, where you can be replaceable. And being replaceable at this point is the next step for elevation for you. Because a lot of people, like, they get an ego thing where they think, if I'm replaceable, that means that my job isn't secure. But no, the only way you can elevate to the next level is by having somebody that can do your job, and then you can take on the next one and manage it all. And we see that traditionally, like when law firms go to sale, right? And, when I handled mergers and acquisitions, one of the common issue that we've seen, not just in law firms, were business owners were not replaceable. Your business is worth $10-20 million on paper, but in reality, you're the only person that can squeeze that business and make it. If a VC came in or another firm came in and tried to buy that business, they could only buy it on the contingency that you would stay around because you're not replaceable. And you have that keen idea. And the crazy part is, maybe it's because it's your computer background, thinking very like strategically organized like an engineer, because I know you didn't learn it in law school. I know that 100%. So, so what's the next steps for the firm? I mean, you're building, you're branding, you're expanding. What's the next step for you guys?